This is Contenders 20554. Let's do this thing. Good luck to y'all. Margie in the house. All right, here we go. We got to find out who wins the Niners. One, two. I should probably take the 49ers off the list like I always do. Put a fork in me. I am done. 5 times to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Tennessee Titans. You're the only 10 I see 5 times. Matthew Jensen, congratulations. One of the last teams to go as well. Could be a big turnaround. Let's get a nice Brock Purdy 101. Contenders auto. All right, let's do this then. DeMarvin Leal. Wow, that's nice. For the rookie thing. And a Nick Chubb. 20755. Oh man, is it Kane? Kenyon Green to 49. I think that's Kane. Tom Brady MVP contenders. Gladiators Gronk. Burrow and Chase touchdown tandems. Legendary Dan Marino. Oh, it's definitely Omos. Joe Montana. Jesse Laqueta to 99. Game day ticket of Travis Kelce. DC, can you get stuck in him, please? Rookie of the Year, Breece Hall. It's trivia night. You think I'm DDC? Cole Strange for the Patriots. Glad it is Bo Jackson. I'm locking in D. I haven't even thought about squads yet. Power play, Saquon Barkley. That'll be something similar to what we've seen over the past couple of nights. Oh. Rookie of the Year, Kenny Pickett. Oh, a little shit the bed. Game day ticket, oh, Tony Gonzalez. Malcolm Rodriguez, playoff ticket to 99 for the Lions. Winning ticket, Josh Allen. Jalen Warren, cracked eyes to 22. Lots of low-numbered stuff. MVP Jamar Chase. Jackson and Bateman, touchdown tandems. Supernatural, Josh Allen. Power players, Jamal Adams. Oh, idiot. Redemption is... Rookie player ticket, RPS, Kenny Pickett. Oh, winning ticket, Jonathan Taylor. There'd be a time in our lives that'd be pretty big, but... Damian Harris, number card to 109. Now it's not that time. Game day ticket of George Kittle. Power players, Nick Bosa. It's, oh my God, Desmond Ridder, rookie ticket on card auto. MVP Derrick Henry. Darren Waller to 99. TJ Watt players. Hey, Punky Baby. Geno Smith, MVP contenders. Yeah, you're not wrong. It would have been an old-timer break 6 months ago. Supernatural D. London. MVP contender Jonathan Taylor. Power players Nick Bolton. Thea Munford, rookie ticket auto. These are the guys that literally he's going to fall with. Mahomes Mac, dual card. That was sorted, randomized at the time of sorting. Federian Mathies, rookie ticket. Round numbers, Wilson Burks. Game day ticket, Josh Allen. JJ Watt Gladiators. Rookie of the Year, George Pickens. Peyton Hendershot to 99. Josh Allen, Stephon Diggs. Round numbers, Pearson White. Rashad Wright, Rookie of the Year. Channing Tindall, rookie ticket. And a Dan Marino game day ticket. Final pack. Tom Brady, Charles Woodson. And that is, oh, what? That is Contenders.